who has been appointed as the new Vice Chief of the Air Staff to replace V.R. Chowdhury. Sandeep Singh. India's first sports arbitration center has been unveiled in which of the following cities? Ahmedabad. The Ministry of Labour and Employment has launched the DG Saksham program in partnership with which company to impart digital skill among youth? Microsoft India. The World Day for Farmed Animals is observed annually on which date? October 2. Which day is observed as the UN recognized International Day of Non-Violence? October 2. Who has won the 2021 Global Leadership Award by the US-India Business Council? Both A and B. Lucy mission is associated with which space agency? NASA. Who is the president of the US-India Business Council? Nisha Desai Biswal. The World Smile Day is observed on which date in 2021? October 1. As per the government data, which state was the highest contributor to the small savings schemes in the July-September quarter of 2021-22? West Bengal. What is the external debt ratio to GDP of India as of March 2020? %21.1%. SV Sunil, who announced retirement, belongs to which sports event? Hockey. Sage and Sacred are new portals associated with which segment of the population? Old age people. Who took charge as the chief hydrographer to the government of India? Adhir Arora. What is the theme of the 2021 National Wildlife Week? forest and livelihood, sustaining people and planet.